Hi guys, this is Alin Saxena, and today we are quickly going to see how to install Pandas on Anaconda. The steps involved in the process are: you have to Google Anaconda install Pandas, then we have to navigate to official Anaconda page where we have to find the conda install command. Then we use that copied command on Anaconda command prompt to install Pandas. Pretty simple steps, easy peasy. So I'm going to demonstrate these steps in a bit. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it for more videos on machine learning. So let's get started. Okay, so we have to search Anaconda, install Pandas and press enter. We have to navigate to this particular site. Here you can find the conda install command for Pandas. You copy it. Now we open the Anaconda command prompt. Now paste this command and press enter. And that's it, we are done. So now if we have to check if we have actually installed Pandas in your system, we can go to Jupyter Notebook. You can import the Pandas and we can do pd dot version in order to check whether we have actually installed Pandas or not. So if you control enter this, it will give you the Panda version. So this proves that we have actually installed Pandas in our system. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in the next one.